gorilla rapper, we're gorilla raptors. Star killing robots with laser beam blasters. Air whip the airplane with a fat ass actress. Trash human trap house on a half inflated mattress. Loot, shoot, grabbing shopping carts. Stocking our prey into Walmart parking lots. Just trying to harvest body parts. Booger Boys, the queen of hearts. Organs by the pound, fruit and flesh abound. Got the wide selection that's sure to astound. I stock up during riots so it's fresh for my clients. Suck adrenochrome in the middle of a crisis. Loot, shoot them in the back. Rolling hard, rolling fast. Dressed in all black, rolling hard, rolling fast. With the lower middle class, they only know 3 words: fuck you and attack. Modified guns with them modified bullets. Modified love with the modified mullet. Modify your face when I straight aim and pull it. Personalize the bullets cause I ain't with the bullshit. Fastest draw in the west. Tube to your dome and a hole in your chest. Blood splatter pattern, what an awful fucking mess. Don't ever consider coming back to Kansas.
Didn't hit the brakes when I rolled up on you mostly. Peaceful protesters, bodies rolling under. My CDs all asunder. Alignment, fuck no wonder. What a foobar blunder. Ditches, they move on to rolling Geo checker. And you know we gonna floss it. Cutting y'all dicks off like my mom Lorena Bop it. Check hot topic, yo, we the hot gossip. He's the black swan and I'm the Rastafari faucet. Step back, I'm with Pat Sajak. You fat ass, I'll teabag your Big Mac. Facts? You want the facts? What are facts? Big money doesn't exist, though there is no tax on making you a fast on subtle threats of drone attacks. You mix like your paints when we cross paths at night. You feel for your life. You're trying to relax and I'll blow up a pot. What you gonna do when I run into you? Sitting at the bread co, eating a pick too, huh? A blam blam, a through, blood on your shoe before you know what to do, ugly. You should never started a fucking around with that bitch. Now you bleed out while I finish your soup and sandwich. Better yet, never come back to Kansas. Or the state of Georgia. Or any place that calls it Panera Bread. Better yet, you better see me before I see you.